CAMO Edge Clip is a fantastic solution for your next groove board install. Let me show you how they work. The legs of the edge clip actually wrap over the joist, so as you place your clip in position into the groove of the board, it holds itself in position. You can set up all your clips along the length of the board before you have to go back and fasten. Once you have your clips all set in place, you can run your next board out and push it up and do another row of fasteners. You can actually install multiple boards at one time without fastening your clips. They'll set in place, they'll be there and ready for you when you're ready to fasten down your deck. So for any 90-degree install, the edge clip is the key. For angle deck installs, the EDGEX clip is the way to go. The X clip actually has wings that push into the groove of the board rather than riding on the joist, so for whatever angle your board is on, they stay out of the way and they sit in place until you're ready to fasten as well. Simply just depress the wings, push them in the groove of the board, and set up your row of fasteners. Just like you would with the edge clip, now you're ready to install your next board. Once you're ready to go back, of course, your clip is there waiting for you. You can fasten them all down at once. If you have a job on steel framing or metal joists, we have the EDGEXMETAL. What's special about the EDGEXMETAL, of course, is the drill point screw rather than the wood screw that's in the clip. The rest of the design of the screw is the same as the EDGEX clip, and also just pushes into the groove of the board over the joist onto your next joist. And let's talk about the construction of the clip that makes it so super strong. The screw is a 410 stainless star drive screw, coated black just to hide. The gusset is a 304 stainless, super strong gusset, and it gives you your holding power as you drive the clip into place. The legs of the clip, whether it's the edge clip or the X clip, are really there just for installing the clip, not for the holding power of the clip. As you saw with the edge clip, they grab the joist. The X clip just pushes into the groove. Then they automatically space your boards. That's as much as the plastic part of the clip does. For your next groove board install, don't forget about the CAMO starter clip. Fantastic way to start your first board. The clip is 304 stainless steel. The screw is also 304 stainless steel with a T15 star drive. They come packed in a handy 25 count, which will do a little bit over 30 lineal feet. Once you're ready to fasten, included with every pail of clips is your T15 bit and your Never Miss guide. The Never Miss guide is meant just to go over the fastener, and it helps you meet your T15 bit to the screw head very simply. For 5 times faster, use the drive tool.